You ever seen those like vintage tabletop lighters? They're kind of big and clunky and they just sit there. My grandma used to have one. It was filled with like fake flowers or something. Anyway, I just thought it'd be cool to attach it to a base that was kind of cute and done up so it could just be a tabletop thing. Okay, so I got some little glass stones here that I think I'm just gonna kind of arrange around the perimeter of the base of the case. I think I'm gonna let them actually protrude above the resin line a little bit. Maybe. I don't know, still haven't decided. I don't really know what I'm doing with this. I'm just chucking some stuff in, hoping for the best. I have these little these little broken pieces of little tiny dragon that I thought might be kind of cool to get into this mess. I have no idea. I don't know what I'm doing. Don't follow my lead on any of this, because all I'm really doing is just chucking a bunch of stuff in to see what will work. That's my whole life strategy in general. Just toss it all at the wall. Something will stick. Something always sticks. Okay. What I did was I made a little mold of a dragon pendant that I have, but it didn't quite work out right. It gave me this really thin casting that just broke into pieces, so I figure we can just make it look like it's a little dragon graveyard or something, right? Is that weird? That's weird, right? Well, I am weird, so. Par for the course. I don't like that. Get out of there. Make it look like it's kind of like dragon bones or something. Yeah, sometimes how you have ideas, but you just like have like loose versions of those ideas, and so it gives you a lot of room to wiggle. I like wiggling. I don't know if I want that one or not. Maybe we'll just switch these out. There we go. That's pretty neat. I don't hate that. Do you hate it? Do you hate it? It's okay if you hate it. Not everybody has the same taste in stuff. I want that piece to be right there. Oh, it won't go. Get in there. Get in there. Come on. Do as I say. Oh, shit. Well, okay. We dropped that one on the floor. Forget about it. I have these cute little gemstones, which will probably just disappear when I put resin in, but whatever. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah, they're definitely gonna disappear. I don't know if I can even fit any more shit in here. I'm gonna just come sprinkle these on once I get some resin in this bitch. That's these little tiny iridescent flakes. that I got at the buck tree for very cheap. I guess it's the $1.25 tree now, right? Let's see if I can get some of this in there, on there. Just gonna leave it, go get some resin, try to lock it all in there, I guess. This is gonna be so strange. I've never done this. I've used like coaster bases to stand stuff up like this, but never like an object like this. So it's gonna be interesting to see how it actually works out. Alright, come back to you in a second. Gotta be careful. I'm gonna have to drizzle this in ever so gently because I don't actually want it to get on the lighter. I just want it to be in the base. Kind of think maybe I should put it in a cup. Oopsie. This is a little tip I learned from the queen herself. Put your resin into a little paper cup so you can squeezy. And pro tip, if you're making gummy bears or any kind of like candy that you're pouring into a mold, this also works for that. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's how Julie picked it up because she's a baker. She bakes. That's a good thing about learning many different forms of art, is that you can pull from them, combine them. This is cool. I'm giving this to a friend of mine who uses lighters for things. I hope he likes it. It's going to take me a minute to do, so I'm probably just going to go in a time lapse. And then we'll let it cure and I'll come back and show you. I'm going to have to give it a little clean up because the lighter is all gunky, but yeah. Such is life. Okay, BRP.